What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Enitab 360-degree tablet holder by Filofax. Alright, and you see I got two of them. This is the large version, this is the small version. Alright, they both cost 20 bucks, and what they do is they're a tablet holder that sticks automatically to your tablet. Alright, and it says it removes and reuses. You can remove it and reuse it without leaving any marks. Alright, now it has a 360-degree rotation, 0 to 140-degree adjustable friction hinge, slim profile, lightweight and portable, non-slip rubber foot for added stability, strong injection molded ABS construction, and it's stone finished. Alright, so if you want to look any more or they need stuff on the box, you can check that out. Or we're going to open it up real quick. We're going to do the small one first. Now the small one is for any tablets 8.4 inches or smaller. And the large is for any tablets 8.5 inches or bigger. Alright. So it does come with a little card. Little plastic card. I like that. That's different. Alright. And then you get some instructions on how to put it on your tablet. Alright, so let's get a look at it real quick. This is what it looks like. Alright, so let me get my small tablet. Get my iPad mini. Bust that out. So flip it over to the back of the mini, and oh, this card right here. All right, this is how you remove it also. So you just slide it up under there and remove it. All right, so guessing it to go on something like that. So all right, take that film off and we'll put it right there. Press it down. Get all the edges, press it down, and this is what you got. Tablet holder. Now it's 360 degrees, so your tablet's like that. You see it goes all around, baby. That's dope. So this is how you get it off. You just work the card up under it, and it comes right off. Simple. That's what it looks like afterwards. It's still super sticky. You know what I mean? So let's check out the large. Same box, same branding. Open it up out of there. Get rid of all this extra stuff. Nothing else in the box. Same thing with the directions. Same thing with the holder. See on this one, you got tablet case large holder, so it lets you know. And on this one, we're gonna use the iPad 5th generation, so we're gonna use that one. Same thing. Peel it off. Stick it on there. You see, look at that swivel. Ready to go. Set it up just like that. Just like that. Alright, so now you got the large, and then you got the small tablet holders. These is dope. I like them both. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do, man, is go into the description, man. Click on every one of those links and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out, yo.